You don't feel go to another man's house. Go plant your kingdom. You think that you go fit come to Ghana to do anything? Igbo King my foot, mumu. If you build them 50, we go burn them 100. So you know. If you like, we can not stop. If you build, we go burn. If you build, we go burn.
And it is a farasa, the Igbo King in Ghana, Eze, Dr. Chukudi Jude, Ihinetu, Eze, or his roommate, the first, the issue, the Eba, trending mono. The person that I've been waiting for a submission on this particular issue, Afia Schwar, I said, and Sembe no beka found. What did you cost for Ghana and what here? A day na Afia Ewaka found. At this moment, Afia submission, Abba. Afia to say, hey, Igbo King is on one king, A bear must obey the kingdom. And yes, I party, who see 10,000 times. You betrayed out to me 10,000 times. I have paid about media. That's what I said, Nidim. Like video, no doubt, my subscribe button, so I can keep an conference update. Now, better why I their mammy or comment section. Let's also baswa. You want you know, because you be accurate. And I'll be giving you updates back to back. When you video here, go to my page. There are many videos on this same issue, part 1, part 2, part 3. I'm going to say, Igbo King be, you know, His Royal Majesty, Dr. Chukudi Jude, Ihinetu, Matro say, Waba Ghana, our former Igbo King, our for me kingdom. Or then, as I'm even made the constitution, you know. I just say Ghana Emra, I can't say air found. You want to go to my channel, there's this video on that. Now, I say, but I can't for air train, and Fiash was saying, Oba, say, obviously, I can't say no. I am no credit, if Fiash were Abba. The Fiash was saying, okay, said, my way now about Ghana now. Ono no making for himself a very humongous kingdom. Obi any ni answer, ye be any holiday. Na ye true for say, e be better say obejai. Enya sa ahini no. Opeja 1,000 times. Said ye, Jericho Facebook, Ejurugu ye no. Sa no opeja be drag no mistake e di jabro ko tuni fie. Ashe na je kwade nyina ashe na se.
My Naija people go here. Go they understand. As I wake up today, I can't see something. That's what me I take my eyes see. I don't want to believe him. Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwenu, kwezwenu. Me, nobody love Igbo past me. Second, my sister Toto Dike, nobody. My Igbo name na Chinyere. Nobody love Igbo past me. But come here, I tell you something. May I yarn you something where you don't know now. You don't feel go to another man's house. Go plant your kingdom. It's not done in witchcraft. It's not done in the Bible. It's not done in Satanism. And you don't feel do that for that country. I don't know what to enter your head. May you feel say you will feel come to Ghana. Come put your own kingdom for our country. As Ghanaians dey Nigeria and I saw them the fool. Now them saw them the fool. You think that you go fit come to Ghana to do anything? Ah? You sabi say you fit enter Ghana. Then how they do anything, they turn head. They scatter the country, they do anything. In the name of I am an Igbo King. Igbo King my foot. Who made you a king in another man's house? Mumu. The question we want to ask when I say, that kingdom where they can't build. Now who they finance them? The kingdom where you want come build for another man's country. Now who they finance them? Because we all they Ghana. And we submit the job where Nigerians where they Ghana they do. As a Ghanaian that you are watching me, can you name 4 companies that belongs to Nigerians? I will wait. As a Ghanaian that you are watching me today, can you name 4 companies that belongs to Ghanaians? Make we see that men wanna go thief money, come build empire, so that FBI go carry plane, they carry all of us, they go. Make we sit down, make una go thief money, because the Nigerians where they Ghana, now 419 then they do, now kidnapping then they do, now drugs then they do, now pirating then they do. You think that we don't sabi? When I don't say me, I know, say you know that I know what I know. You want come scatter ahead? You want wait who they finance it? You want come become king for hey Hey, hey, if you enter Rome, may do what Romans do. If I say you people, you chop winch. You chop winch. You people, you don't chop winch. You chop winch, eh? Come listen to your national anthem. Person when me and you know say you be thief. You can't build mansion for my hand. Person when me and you know say you be thief. You want come build mansion. Which legitimate business? When I take Ghana they do. I will wait. How many companies Nigerians own in Ghana? Where you think say nothing care your head? We have 50 acres and that. Can't they do your hair like Obanje? They fool. Rise. Ghana youth arise. Listen, we should give them demonstration back to back. Right? I'm police for any back to back demonstration until that land they sell it to a Ghanaian. Can a Ghanaian go and buy 50 acres of land? Quand they start the food, the way you people the food for that country, mo bet now, mo mama can we wo Gina Muntie. Mo bet now, now feel magic Ghana card. No magic passports. Wo back on to ma, yes, Ghana ni be a convoy and Nigeria ni. Wo back on David Jonathan. You come on your friend David Jonathan. Mo bet Ghana passports. Nigeria from the Ghana passport to your country when you're dead. Almost sell my passport, no. Almost sell your passport on the farm. Say, I am the digital now. Almost to me one fair children. One more bet that's no more by a Ghana card. Nobody have a chichemu, and your passport now could Jimmy. We don't agree. Massa, no Nigerian has got a kingdom in Ghana. Wake up and stop fooling. Business gone Ghana. Until Nigerians enter Ghana, we never hear anything called for one eye. You people bring this business. You know what you call bring to Ghana to a shower. Your sisters, then they sell Toto, then they sell them. Then they sell them for markets. You want Campbell Village. You want Campbell 419 headquarters. Kidnapping headquarters. You want Campbell place where they go the package cocaine. Master, it no go happen. We will not allow it. Okay? If you build them, now burn, we go burn them. If you think, if Nigerians any day think that we Ghanaians, we are weak. We are peaceful people, but we are not weak. Oh. If Ghanaians say you go mad, if Ghanaian man say you go mad, if a Ghanaian man say you go mad, okay, you people never see some before. If you build them 50, we go burn them 100. So you know. If you like, we can not stop. If you build, we go burn. If you build, we go burn. If you build, we not go green. You will not put a kingdom. If you now by force to be a king in someone's country. Now enough to be that. Now by force to be a king in another man's country. You the crazy. You the crazy. Even as a mentor, they worry you. Now cry for the ministry make catch them. Anything you say now. And crying in your paramount chief. What was I to show you? I will be a basic kingdom. And was I say a mumukuro. Hey, Mosayana, and I sat for there and was see a deal with a baby latany. Hey, who fear I never see him? Why was the other way? I was the other way. Why would come out say, Quawu for yes, she and so, and what acquaintance? I beg. You see, it no go happen. Okay? Grow up. Get sense. No Nigerian is building any kingdom. No Nigerian is look at my eyes. No Nigerian is building any kingdom in Ghana. If you build them, we will burn them. If you people have refused to respect us, we will teach you respect. If our government, our presidency, and our people in authority are disrespecting us to you people, wake up. Nigeria, as a foreigner, your kingdom is in your embassy. As a foreigner living in somebody's country, you see where your kingdom, the embassy. You see this thing that you are building, if it was being built by the Nigerian High Commission, we will not question it because we know where the money is coming from. You where you can't define your source of income. Say, we have 50 acres, we dey come down, no. It's Nigeria developed than Ghana. It's Nigeria developed than Ghana. If you get money, not be your country where you dey go develop. As you get money, it not be your country where you go. Huh? Are we not tired? Already we have about 5 million Nigerians in Ghana. You think that we are tired? Don't push us to sack you people. Because if you try, Nigeria must go. You will clap for us. Make you not push some of us to start the agenda. Nigeria must go. Don't. We have friends who have small business. They sell cream, they sell hair. Don't go to another man's house to disrespect the man. If you say you were a chief, don't go to another man's house and go and cause problems. Okay, we will sack all of you. We will sack all of you. We will show you when I did there. When South Africans sack all of you, we will sack all of you. Now me they tell you people, we do not angry me and some of the media personalities in the country. Because if you angry me, the agenda Nigeria must go. When I go clap for us. We go see a cloth give una. When I go clap for us. You think say you mumu pass who? Huh? To you think say your mumu it pass who? Only you be thief, right? Huh? You are coming to see build a Nigerian Igbo village. So tomorrow, if the Biafras also wake up, say they want to build Biafra village, then we go the day there. After you people have made your country ungovernable, that's why you don't use all this nonsense. I have money. Come turn Nigeria into jungle. You they move the jungle small, they can't Ghana. Are we neighbors? Do we share border with you? Huh? How you go fit cross 3 countries? Come there another country say you won't come build kingdom. Huh? You chop winch. Now crazy they worry you. Now mumu born you or what? You can't cross 3 countries. You cross Benin. Can't cross the other one. What's the name? That country where they 7. Can't cross Togo. Can't enter Ghana. Say that there you won't put chieftaincy. Are you stupid or what? Are you foolish or what? Such an idiotic idea. Such a stupid, incompetent idea. How dare you? Apart from a thief, who can think like this? Apart from a thief, you people Nigerians in Ghana, apart from 419, ashawo, kidnapping, armed robbery, cocaine dealing, and pirating, what else do you do? Renting ammunition to criminals. You think that we don't know the job you do? Huh? With all the qualification I've just mentioned, you want to come and build what? Huh? Your own don't finish. Carry your bag. We don't go do them again. Don't go do them. Youth of Ghana. Let's send the youth of Ghana. Scatter. Mama Crony Munya Shisa, Kwapimsa president, Ebeka Nigeria phone call. We have entertained enough. More until the person that disrespect is too much. Kwasiate. Mo ba chichi girls na man enye mo mo. Na man enye mo mo. Na ma westi wo mo ubesi kingdom. Aboa ne wona. Kwasia bra na kwafra wo fa no ba kire nwumu emu. Stupid people. We are at war. We are at war. Draw the battle line. This shit that the Igbo people have attempted, they have drawn the battle line. We are at war, Ghana youth. We are at war. We are at war with corruption. We are at war with leaders who can stand up for us. And we will fight this war. Mabu Padam. They draw a battle line. Teteno say ni kwa akon. Obi buba wushie mu a, woni wetwa akon. Ghana youth, arise. The Nigerians have drawn the battle line. They are taking our businesses. They are intimidating our boys. They are kidnapping our children. And now what? They want to build a kingdom in our country. Where did you hear this from? The battle line has been drawn. This is a war. There is a war. You people should demonstrate. You should demonstrate. Monty Jamko Nigeria for us to Okromo. And that kwala demonstration. And that demonstration I'm going to Madam Kofi. Munim demonstration, I'm going to go. I'm going to say, yeah. Your friend around it. Say the Nigeria for you people should demonstrate. Demonstration, more demonstration of the form when you're bed Johnny. Have you people so forgotten that recently a Nigerian man was arrested because he bought one house? Because he bought one house, he had the audacity to block a whole road. Have you forgotten that man? Have you forgotten that man? He was arrested that he bought a house. He had his own security people. I want to ask Ghana police, what happened to that Nigerian man? That Nigerian man who came to block a whole street. I let any told that man Pempono or block his streets. Yet only this year, I could say Ghana police. Sam no, I could say. I could say. Sam na could say. Nigeria ni beto fie baako or block whole street. I feel ye more than 50 acres. Ye more than 50 acres. And yes, say ye betua to ama womo. Ye betua to ama womo. Ana ye be more ba yi akwan. No ma be chochiku egwezi road. Achuku da gbagba road. Adie zimadie gu road. Moya muwa na mugu o mai ho. Moya muwa Ghana mpanyifo mo nnene. Mo Ghana for pen o mai na mo ye de ahye mo nsa no. Moya mo yo. Kwasiasem sa. Enkwasiasem sa. Enkwasiasem sa. This man was arrested in Ghana. This man was arrested in Ghana. Ben Peters. Ghana police. Accusations. This man was arrested in Ghana on the 7th of April. Also a businessman. So what can he do? He decided to block the road. He blocked the road of Jubilee House because Watofie Bako Ben Peters. He was arrested for blocking the road. Ghana police, what has happened to this man? He was arrested with 25 Nigerians. They found on them ammunitions that were not legalized. What has happened to them? Ghana youth, arise. Arise. Demonstration. Monye diemu on saying. Diemu on saying. Montiano wa tip to ho. Mama tip to onya she. Mama tip to onya she. Emma not of one to woman muminika. enko fie because Nigeria for na bodama omo nru ni ma half ni MPP samo ye ko age ye man enya this ni MPP samo ye ko na ya age ye man ebe yesu ni na meka ya mamu ka credit nso ayentie. I am calling on the National House of Chiefs. Titune ahemfo mugu nkran. Hey! Sanebia said Saudi. No, we be see ahini esweche wahini. Mini bento me hu de men kera de moment. Even we that we have one of the biggest kingdom in Africa. Do we have an Asante king? Do we have Sanebani? Do we have Ashanti chief in Nigeria? You people more gafona mapenya ni yewe wo masase so no. Ya wan kan hene. Ya wan kan hene wo Igbo mem. Mini sane bia ba e ba silence no ko fio no ko say anything. No ko asan kan for obi abetiri di bia mo. Sane bia and Ghana youth arise. Nigerians have drawn the battle line. Ghana youth arise. Because yeah, I'm sorry. And California there, I'm going to no matter. I'm going to come in and fish. Asa. They're very smart people. So they came and studied Ghanaians. And they realized that you cannot get away with this shit. It can't happen in Ashanti region. It cannot happen in Takoradi. It cannot happen in the northern region. Nigerians know where they can penetrate. They know the God chiefs, they are weak. They know that the chiefs in Accra, they are weak. So the only place they can practice this stupidity, but per the international law of the international diplomatic law, your kingdom is your embassy. Your kingdom is your embassy. It's the High Commission. There's the Nigeria High Commission. When you leave that High Commission, you are a foreigner. You are a foreigner. You are a stranger in a strange land. The Bible calls us. You are a stranger. You people still is the High Commission. The only land where you are in our country competing with us on all levels. We no go be, we no go be. Nigeria is a zoo. Ghana is a country. Share the year with the Nigeria is a zoo. Ghana is a country that has rules and regulations governing the country. You see the way you do your thing in your country. You see the way you people they misbehave. Would you have felt comfortable to live there? The way you people you feel do anything. If you wake up in Nigeria, anything is legal. The way you people you feel do anything in your country. If not so we don't look for our country, you know you will get peace of mind. As if people they come they enjoy Ghana. You just say Ghana there, say anybody. You they mad. If a chief in Igbo, you will be in Igbo. You won't be in Ghana. Shall you understand? Shall you understand? If you are a chief in Igbo, you cannot be a king in somebody's land. No. A king will not get land. A king will not get land. What kind of king? Are you a bathroom king? Or a toilet king? King will not get land. Demons, they worry you. Wake up. Wake up. Let that stupidness. That's the way enter your eye. If they can't build what for when? Ghana youth. Tomorrow. Watch that. One starting 52. And one Nigeria for the shop. Mom pie for who dear mama. Mom finding konima. If I say you take Ghana the chop, you the smoke wrong boy, eh? Huh? The Igbo way that they give you for Ghana, you know correct. You know correct. May they carry you enter Shamai. Where you they live? You they live for Instagram. May they carry you enter Nima. You the smoke wrong Igbo. The Igbo way they smoke now wrong one. Now they make you think say you were a king, you were a slave. You are a slave. So long as you are on somebody's land, you are a slave. You are not a king. You understand why? You understand what's not the on you? Ghanaians are hospitable. Ghanaians are tolerant. No. The Igbo way they smoke, change your push. Igbo they worry your mind. Igbo they worry your mind, change your pusher. May you go Nima. May they enter Nima for you. May they enter a shaman. May they get you correct Igbo. So you go smoke. No say that thing way they talk, the madman they talk am. May they change your Igbo for you. Make you not say that thing way they talk. Now only madman go fit talk that time for another person land. You that person country they do chieftaincy. I beg you be slave. I beg. Now slave you be oh. Now slave you be. In the eyes of every Ghanaian, okay? We don't care how much you get. If you get money, go back to your country and stay there. In the eyes of every Ghanaian, a slave you be. Who sends slave? What's it gonna happen? What's it gonna happen when slave wake up? Saying one build kingdom for person in land. You mad. You mad. Now what they do you so? Huh? Your house which you won't kill you, eh? Even if you are married to the president's daughter, put this in your head. The president, he's got a timeline. No president go fit be president past 8 years. We don't go agree make anybody sell Ghana give a Nigerian. Or what's the source of our country? May go kill your mother. It's your. Say we are electing Igbo president. May God punish your mother. Mumu. May God punish your mother. Here we are electing Igbo president. Now we have Igbo King. Smart time they will get Igbo president. Now crazy one with a family. Now your mama will not discipline you. Now if they can't discipline. Make go kill now, all of you. Make go kill your family. Make go kill your children. You crazy. This is not NDC. This is not MPP. This is Ghana. We don't go agree. Messi watch now. Monster demonstration. Mama IGP. Me na me nwa be ma no. Monti ja. Mama tete yo unu. Enwu se Ghana for Angola no. Ye ka ye ho a. Ya di ne romo monster demonstration and tsa wunu aba ne be kidnapping no wunu aba and ye be kidnapping no omo beti gangster cultism kidnapping. They want to build a camp and host criminals because we all know the Nigerians that we have in Ghana, 98% of them are criminals, only 2% they are correct. And to what the 98% criminals here, one more say, I am building criminal headquarters. Ghana youth, what's now? Mama honya shit, Mama crony monya shit, Mama police for no shisha woman, Mama hem for no Mama crony monya shit, Mama crony monya shit, because Mama crony one job. Enti na mpanyimfo no edimu jimi saa no me na me ka kire o kira de any demonstration
we didn't say we Afia Schwar Abeka. What is your take on this particular issue? I Penyah bro, be kire